It is 6 in the morning, Seattle day 2. We're leaving later today, and that's it. And I just locked myself out in the hallway. Such an idiot. How's it going, people? Flipbook Vlogs here, and today we're going to do more stuff in Seattle. But first we're going to get some breakfast in the endless pit of doom down there. That's what I call it. And so yeah, let's go in this pit. Alright, gonna go get some breakfast. Alright, this is my breakfast. We got some cool toast, we got some bacon, sausage bits, and we got some cool pancakes, cool syrup, cool water, and that's it. Alright, bro. My breakfast.
Shake, 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 Sinora.
Centripetal force, centripetal force, centripetal force. Alright, now we are going back to Pike's Place because my brother over there has to film something. You see him over there? Yeah, let's film something. Alright, oh, sorry. Alright, we're back at Pike's Place, and they're still setting up the shop. They're still setting up the shops. This is where the beef stand was. He's not here no more. Those are all the signs. Here we are again. Post Alley, also known as the gum wall. Oh, would you look at this? It's the gum from yesterday that I put on the wall. Well, luckily I have a new gum. I'm gonna throw it on the wall. Yeah. Where are you? Annabelle! Logan? Easy to love and they're hard at I put a coin inside you yesterday.
That's what your mom was talking about.
Folks, now's the time when you buy stuff. One more! One more! Hey, back Jack! Hey, back Jack! Hey! Oh, yeah!
Alright, now we're at Peroski in Seattle. Check it out. I'll put the website in the description below. Check Peroski, very popular place. Very good baked goods. Yeah, I said that. Alright, we're at Pike's Place and we're going to a totem pole over there. I'm sorry that I did not record at the totem pole. I was gonna record at the totem pole, but a bird took a shit on my hand. So here's the story. I stepped on some grass, I got some mud, I went on the curb to scrape the mud off, and I was under a lamppost, and there was a bird on the lamppost, and it just on my hand, on the phone, on the bag, and it just did it. It just shit on my hand. And I'm sorry that I did not get the totem pole footage. I will get it if I come back, which I probably won't. But next time you see me, I'll be at Anthony's. So see you later.
Oh, these George Bucks is dead. Last word he said. You let
Have you ever seen this before? It's a McDonald's and a liquor store hybrid. Whoa. So we are no longer in Seattle. We are now in Tacoma, Washington. Yeah! The wedding is on Sunday. Really excited. I miss Seattle. I miss the birds shitting on my hand. I really miss all that. Alright, this is a new hotel. Who's that sexy beast over there?
Don't let a woman have a way.
Alright, gotta turn off the camera. Alright, it's currently the next day, about 12 hours after I filmed that last video for you guys. It's wedding day. I'm gonna end this vlog here and film a new vlog at the wedding, and bye.